Hello, all participants, fifth Virtual International Symposium IS 2020. Now, I want to presenting my article about the effectiveness of physical fitness learning based on motion card in elementary school. The member of this article are Inyoman Kanca, Made Agus Wijaya, Iketut Iwan Swadesi from Sport Education Department Postgraduate Program Ganesha University of Education, Bali, Indonesia. The first slide talking about 3 points. The first is physical education, sport and health is one of the subject that must be given to the student at the primary and secondary education level that make a positive contribution in realizing student in reaching 21 century competence. The second is PE in Indonesia focus on developing physical fitness in which students are able to carry out daily activity without experiencing significant fatigue. The third is the purpose of this study was to determine the effectiveness of physical fitness learning based on the motion card. This is the model of physical fitness motion card. A set of motion card consists of 66 physical fitness motion card, namely muscle endurance, cardiorespiratory endurance, muscle strength, speed, power, balance, flexibility, and coordination. One of the motion card contain three variants of motion card based on the movement difficulty level, easy, medium, and hard level. Next, about method. This article conducting through experimental design with a randomized pre-test post-test control group design with the same subject design. The population of this study was 41 elementary school in Singaraja City, Buleleng Regency. Use a purposive random sampling for the sampling technique. There are 4 criteria of selecting sample. The first is elementary school has at least 2 parallel group learning. The second, academic qualification of PE teacher at least undergraduate. The third is teaching experience of PE teacher at least 5 years, and elementary school has outdoor space or field with a leased badminton court. Further, there were 4 elementary schools as a sample. There are SD Negeri 1 Banjarjawa, SD Negeri 3 Banjarjawa, SD Negeri 3 Kampung Baru, and SD Negeri 3 Kampung Baru with a total 262 students. The instrument of this study consists of the first is a test, namely physical fitness test including squat thrust, sit and reach, vertical jump, and push up. And the second is non-test, namely a formative class evaluation questionnaire. The data analysis technique used t-test at significant level of 5%. Next slide, talking about result. This research was carried out in 5 meetings, including the pre-test and post-test. Each school with the time allocation is 120 minutes. This is the t-test result. Yeah, it can be seen that the result of 10 t-count result from 2.31 until 11.2. It can be stated that there are significant difference in physical fitness learning outcome between a treatment group and the control group. This is the picture of result the student formative class evaluation in elementary school. It can be stated that the mean of FCA score is 2.62 from maximum 3.0. Yeah. It's mean very good to be implemented. It is supported by the condition of this student feel impressed, get experience by doing new movement that they never did before, do motion assignment seriously and happily, do not feel forced, learn and move in a friendly atmosphere. Next, discussion. The first is physical fitness material is very important to be conducted for students in PE subject, especially in elementary school. Crowd and Barker say that the National Association of Sport and Physical Education, or NASPE, has identified 20 characteristics of physical educated students who were grouped into 5 main aspects, including being a physically fit and participating regularly in physical activity. But Chrome say PE learning in elementary school is guiding to movement vocabulary and movement grammarly, which later become student identity. Next, about conclusion. Based on the result of the study and the discussion, it can be concluded that physical fitness learning based on motion card are proven to be effective in improving physical fitness learning outcome in elementary in Singaraja City. Recommended for the PE teacher to be used PE subject especially in teaching physical fitness activity. Thank you for join. See you. Thank you.